Introducing the ultimate electric bicycle for adventurers, thrill-seekers, and those who demand both power and performance. With 15 years of industry expertise, we bring you a high-performance e-bike that's engineered for speed and reliability. Powered by an 8,000-watt W motor and a massive 60 V60 AH battery, this bike offers unmatched power and an exhilarating ride. Reach top speeds of up to 90 miles an hour, crossing H and travel up to 140 km on a single charge. Whether you're commuting through the city or exploring off-road trails, this bike can handle it all. Equipped with hydraulic shock absorption, it smooths out the bumps, ensuring a comfortable ride no matter the terrain. Conquer any surface with our 14-inch off-road tubeless tires, designed for durability and stability in even the toughest conditions. And with a compact folding design, it's easy to store and transport whether you're heading to the mountains or navigating city streets. No matter where you're headed, our e-bike is ready to take you further. With warehouses across the EU, UK, USA, Canada, and China, we guarantee fast, reliable delivery straight to your door, no waiting. Your bike will arrive in just 10 days from the closest warehouse. We offer a 3-year warranty, strict quality control, and 24-hour online customer service to support you every step of the way. Plus, follow our store or leave a review and get exclusive coupons just for you. Unleash your adventure with our top-of-the-line electric bicycle. Order now and experience the ride of your life. Contact our customer service today for more details and join the electric biking revolution.
Da 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 da